Okay, hello, good evening, all of you. Okay, participants, hello. Yes, I'm talking about all the participants. Are they able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, do you all have shading pencils?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you Okay. And do you know about 2B, 6B, 8B, 4B, like that? Do you know? So this is my 2B
Ma'am,
pencil. Okay.
ma'am, I
Yes.
have only 8B.
Okay, no problem. That normal B pencils do you have?
No, ma'am.
Normal B pencil, the pencil which you use for writing and all.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
That is only called that B pencils. These type of pencils that you keep for writing and all.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Then what you have to do, take any round object. Okay. Initially, we will follow. Remember this one more thing very clearly means that 85 to 90% of drawing we do with circle.
Circle.
Remember this. Okay. All types of vegetables. I think 95% of vegetables, 95% of fruits, 95% of flowers. So just imagine that how to draw that tomato or anything. These all are actually made up of basic lines are of circle. Even flowers also, if you are going to watch out a flower very carefully, you can see that maximum flowers are having round shape, isn't it? Okay. So what you have to do, that round shape, you have to be perfect in doing or coloring round shapes. Okay. So what you have to do here, just to draw with me. Okay, try this drawing. Okay, this is first step of pencil shading work. Okay, so draw one circle. Abba, do you have group? Any WhatsApp group do you have? Shall I share my picture so that is they will get?
Ma'am, I don't have that group. I'll make that group.
Mhm. Okay, because suppose in case you are having any network issue or anything that you are having, means suppose sometimes may this screen will show blurry type. At that time, you will not be able to concentrate on your drawing. So at that time, that each and every step, once you will start to keep on learning this classes, once you will start taking that in regular basis, what you can do means one WhatsApp group will be made, and these all picture parallelly, stepwise picture will be shared on that WhatsApp group, so that easily you will be able to make out that what is made.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. Okay, I'll
so
do
no
it.
need to worry about that. So no need to worry about that. It is not visible, line is not visible. We are not able to see. Okay.
Okay,
And in
okay.
case suppose if you are missing that classes, in case if you are missing some classes also, huh? In case by mistake if they are sharing that means suppose they are missing that classes also, they will share that email ID. So I will share that video lesson of that class. Okay. So
Okay.
first to draw one circle and draw one small round, and you have to see that light is falling from the top. Okay, so shadow will be here. Okay, so this is called light, shadow, reflection. Okay, light, shadow, reflection. Okay, so after that what we will do, these all are the pencil. Suppose this is 6B pencil. Okay, this is 6B pencil, and this is a piece of sandpaper. Okay, so what I will do, I'll scratch my pencil on sandpaper. Okay, I'll scratch my pencil on sandpaper, and I will clear with that tissue paper. Okay, and what I will do, I'll start doing the shading. So light is falling from the top. So whenever you're going to shade any circle, what you will do, will cover your circle with your hand. So easily you will understand left, right, straight. This is the stroke that you have to follow. So what I will do, now once I scratched on sandpaper, we are having this is that flat area. Okay. So this flat surface, I'll start giving that shading this side left. So this will go over to upper. And once we are reaching to the center part, okay, then this is straight. And now this is right. Basic of any that shading, okay, any shading. Now what I will do, suppose one layer I have given that shading. Now this upper part I have given one line. Just because if I'll erase that, maybe this camera will not focus. So what I will do, now I will erase so that easily you can see, and these all problem you will not face. Okay, whenever you will have class, what I will do, I'll make one group and each and every step photo I'll share on WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now what I will do, this is the first that I have given. Okay. Are you all doing? If you all are doing, I can wait for 2
Yes.
minutes. You all are doing now, so do it. And you can, okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to draw this one. Just do it. And those who are having normal B pencil, what they can do, if you're not having 6B, this normal B pencil, you can hold like that. This is called anda palm. This is little bit difficult, but see, this way also you can give that a stroke, but this is little bit difficult for smaller ones. Because what happens sometimes now, if you're going to give strokes with it this way, this lines comes in between. Okay, so it is little bit difficult, but if you are not having, you can hold like that. Okay, this is straight and this is again round curve. Half from this side, another half from this side. You can open your video. Okay, open your video and live you can show. I'll ping you, I will see you.
Ma'am, may I show?
Of course, you can show. Yes, one by one you can show. Show me live. Okay, yeah, just wait. Yeah, show me. Show me. Yeah, nice. Little bit that you have made that equal line. You have to make that up and down. Means that strokes will come little bit up, down. Okay. And exact fixed place.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
You can understand a sweep. Have you seen that where whoever is sweeping? What they do? After asking questions, immediately mute your volume.
Ma'am, I'll.
Those who want to show their name. Good. Nice. Nice. Just you do one thing. You just make it light line. Upper portion you make it light. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. That is okay, but upper portion you have to make it light. What's the name? This is Kalvati.
Ma'am, my name is Harsh.
Harshpreet, I have seen that. Okay, I have seen that. Only I said that what you have done, this one is coming up now. You have to throw. You have to throw. Okay. Finished all of you? Now see, second step, what we will do? Anybody want to show? Okay. Okay, okay. Now see, this is now second activity. Now see this one. This is now second drawing, second step I'm doing. Okay. Second step I'm doing now. How to do this second step? Okay. Now same drawing, same pencil I'm using. Okay. Little bit I'm increasing pressure. Do from lower to upper, lower to upper, lower to upper.
Mama, face कौन
Hmm. Same pencil I'm using. I can't hear your voice. Okay, now see this one. Again, this second layer I'm giving. Same pencil I'm using. Lower to upper, lower to upper, lower to upper. Upper side, little bit you have to touch. Always remember, practically what you can do, you take one ball, sit in a dark room, focus on that light, just to put a light on it. Okay, so what will happen? You can see that upper portion will reflect. Okay, and lower portion will be more darker. So this is the same thing that I'm doing here. Okay. Now see this one. This is again, I'm repeating the same stroke with 6B. But this time what I did, one thing you just notice. Suppose light is falling from here. What will happen? This portion will be light. So first layer I reached up to here with the same pencil what I did. From lower to only this side. I am not moving upside. Okay, to give variations. Now after this what I will do, I will take 8B pencil. This is my 8B pencil. Again what I will do, I will scratch on sandpaper. Scratch it, clean it. Okay, and then what I will do, from lower to upper, now with 8B pencil I'm using. First step what I did, I made a drawing with 2B, second layer was with 6B, and third is with 8B. So this one lower to upper, lower to upper. Again same directions you have to follow, left, right, straight. Okay. Now see this one. Now you can see that variations you can see. Okay. Little bit you can twist that, little bit you can move like that. So that lower layer, and how to give that outline. Outline is very important for any picture. So what I will do, now see this one. From here, you just take 2B pencil. Okay. And with the 2B, this upper portion will be light because light is falling from the top. And this side, that exactly whatever is inside, the same matching you have to give. or outside? Okay, and this area, little bit just use shade and inner portion just to give that is inside one, shade it. Okay, and lower portion, suppose lightish shade will be there. So how to give that shade? For shade, if freehand you are finding difficulty to make that line, what you can do, just hold your scale and give slipping line, touching this border, touching this tip, and then you fill this all the blocks. You see this area you have to fill, and then little bit you have to move forward. If you want to take help of scale, you can take. So you can see that light and reflection. Three things you have to understand. This is the only basic: light, shadow, and okay. And if you have finished, just to show me. Those who have made, if you have finished, show me. You can show one by one, but okay, one by one you can show me live. Okay, 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 okay. Those who want to show, they will put on their video. I will ping you. I can see. Mm, yes. Yes, Kalav.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
अच्छा है कलावती लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. That his name is written Kalavati. I can see. That is good. Anyone is there? Hmm. और कोई? Anybody?
ma'am,
No?
may I?
हाँ, of course. Yeah, show me. Oh, very good. Nice. That I can see you. Very good. This is perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone? Anyone?
Ma'am, how we can?
Yes.
Ma'am, how we?
Me. That you have to see what you can do. You want to ping that, you want to show that, you want to see this very close, isn't it? You're talking about that?
Yes.
I think in Zoom that is a little bit difficult for ping. Otherwise, you can ping us just right side, upper side, you can see three dots are there. In three
Yes,
dots, once you're
ma'am.
going to click, there will be one option for ping. Finished? Okay, let us move on to next picture. So in this class, what you're going to learn? First, you will learn that shading, as well as you are going to get that shading pencil. This is called shading pencil work. Okay, shading pencil
Okay.
work. Then color pencil work, charcoal, white charcoal. Okay, watercolor or watercolor, then black pen, white pen. This all the work you will get. Okay, so just now,
Excuse me.
yes,
Ma'am, may I show my drawing?
of course you can show. Just to show me. Open that video. Mm, okay, that is means you have made this one, this dancer you have made. Nice, it is good, very good, good.
Ma'am.
Now see, once you will keep on learning this one shading pencil, then you will enter to realistic effect also. Okay, in realistic effect, color pencil. Now see, suppose this one. This is actually color pencil shading work. Slowly you will enter to more realistic work. That so many pictures are there already Abha is having. Okay. So this is actually beginning that we are going to start once you will start learning. One more picture, let us try with that crayons and gel pen.
Yes,
Okay. So how to do that? Let us see. First you draw one circle because you are not only going to learn that only shading pencil and color pencil shading. You're going to get all type of drawing. Okay. So first draw one circle. And remember this, don't think that difficult. Drawing is very easy. Only that main thing is that you have to move on to stepwise.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Draw one circle. And always remember drawing always with B pencils. B or 2B. Okay. Now see this one. Just to make one curve and come down. Okay. And back side. Tail.
Come.
Okay. And just to draw one eyes. Smiley. Antenna. And you have to hold your hand like that and just round and add. Okay, then after that what I will do, see, whenever you're going to draw anything, any object, if you're going to draw and you want to do that gel pen work, so at that time what you will do, this gel pen work directly you're not going to do. First what you will do, if by mistake, because generally children are used to making that very dark line. Okay, so at that time what you will do, first you will erase this line. Okay. And okay, you need try to clean always your paper with a brush. Okay, don't use like this now, this hand. So just to make that one curve, come down, eyes. Just do this. Now this is yellow. This is orange. We will color with it. Now this is crayons work we are doing. Okay. Now what we will do when color any round object, you hold your crayons and just rotate your pen crayons. Okay, round, round, round. Because this is round, so you will follow that direction. Round, round, round. And see, this is going that side direction. See that here also you have to focus on that left, lower portion right, and straight. Just color with crayons.
Ma'am,
See,
ma'am, you have outline it with sketch pen.
no, with a gel pen, black gel pen, because after some time you will be learning gel pen work also, na? Say in a school classes, have you seen that in your book also? There will be gel pen work, white gel pen work, black gel pen work, charcoal, white charcoal. Okay, and crayons are also very important because with crayons, with the help of crayons, within short time you can decorate so many things. Okay, so you should know that crayon work also. And see this one. This is the inner portion. I'm going to hold this dark orange. Just rotate your hand and upper portion and lower portion I'm coloring.
Ma'am, can I use sketch pen?
You can use if you're not having what to do, you can use that. Now see, this is green color. With green color that you give that slipping stroke. Okay, and just to make grass effect means lower to upper, lower to upper. Let it come on the snail. Just finish it and show me. Once you have finished, you show me. Right. Yes, yes. Okay. Show me. Open your video and show me. Those who want to show, they can open their video. Oh, oh, good. Good, I can see. Good. Anyone want to show? Anybody want to show? Anyone? Anyone want to show? Show me. Just to put on video and whatever you have made, you can show. Voice is not audible. Voice is not audible. Anmol. Otherwise, you just open your video. Otherwise, you can write message also. Downside, you can see one option is there for messaging. Okay, you can message also. Message me. No, your voice is not audible at all. What you can do, you just message me. You just message me. Message me. In chat box, you can go, you can message, okay? And whatever you have made, you can show also. Just put on video, I will see myself. Put on video, I will see. Okay.
Ma'am, may
I can see those who want to show, they can put on video. Yes. I have seen. Yes. I have seen yours. See, one number is visible. You can share your picture on that number. You see, one number is there in chat box. You can go and you see that all that drawing you can share on that number. Yeah, I can see live also, but this is your fine art class. So you have to share your picture. Okay, so on that number, you can share your picture. Okay, you see that? Giving one number in chat box.
okay.
You collect that number. You write
Now
it
we can
down.
send.
You can send on that number.
Ma'am, now we can send.
Yeah, of course you can send. See, number is there 9108265297. write name on the paper. Okay, write name on the paper and share that, click photo and share your picture on that number. And I can do that correction also going through that gallery. And I can do
Ma'am,
that correction.
it is ma'am, that is yours number.
Organization number. You share that picture, she will share with me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay then. Okay then. Bye all of you. Bye, huh?
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye. Bye all of you. Hmm.
You do one thing, just open your video. Otherwise, you can write message also down, so you can see one option is there.